Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change LinkedIn email address. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open the LinkedIn applications first. Now go ahead to the profile icon here at the top left in the corner. And after, tap on the settings option at the bottom. We'll see here the option which is sign in and security, I guess. If you want to change your email address, you just have to go ahead and pick the first option which is email address. I'm gonna tap on it. This is my email that I use in my LinkedIn, guys. So if you want to change this email, tap on this add email address first. And after here, you just have to enter your email that you want to add and you want to change for the primary email. Here I'm gonna enter it first for my new email that I want to edit. And now enter your LinkedIn password here at the column below. And after, just tap on the submit button. Now you have to check it first for the code that's sent to your first email, which is the email that connected to your LinkedIn. Here I'm gonna check it first. And this is, guys, the code verification. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste on the column in the LinkedIn. And after, tap on the submit button. And yeah, this is the new email that I have added before. And if you want to change your primary email, you just have to change this second email as a primary. And before it, click the verification link first, yeah guys. I'm gonna check on my second email here. This is an email. You just have to tap on this link. And it will be logged into this homepage, I guess, to the LinkedIn homepage. And here I'm gonna check it first for the email. I'm gonna go to the settings and tap on the sign in and security. And after here, I'm gonna make it as a primary email first. Now just enter your password again and again, you guys. And after, tap on the done. And again, you just have to check for the verification code to the first email. This is the verification code. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste on this column. Tap on submit. And as you can see, my second email is already as a primary email. Here for the second email, you can remove it, yeah guys. I'm gonna tap on this remove, and again you just have to enter the password. And yeah, my email address on the LinkedIn account is already changed. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.